The Pathfinder Volume 29, How Data Analysis Can Improve Regulatory Compliance.
In this audiocast, the pharmaceutical industry's drug development and approval process require extensive documentation and regulatory submissions, with the chemistry, manufacturing, and controls submission being a crucial component. With the growing use of data analysis and predictive analytics, pharmaceutical companies can leverage these tools to enhance their CMC submission process. In this audiocast, by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, these tools can help companies identify potential issues early on, optimize manufacturing processes, enhance quality control, and improve regulatory compliance, leading to a more efficient and successful submission process.
In the pharmaceutical industry, new drug development and approval require a significant amount of documentation and regulatory submissions. One critical component of this process is the chemistry, manufacturing, and controls submission, which includes detailed information about the drug's manufacturing processes, quality controls, and specifications. The CMC submission is an integral part of the new drug application and biologics license application and can significantly impact the approval timeline. Pharmaceutical companies can now enhance CMC submissions using data analysis and predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the use of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. Data analysis involves examining and interpreting data to extract meaningful insights and inform decision-making. Here are some ways predictive analytics and data analysis can improve the regulatory CMC submission. Using predictive analytics, pharmaceutical companies can identify potential issues in the CMC submission process before they occur. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, the system can identify areas that may require further attention and review, enabling the company to address potential issues proactively. Data analysis can help companies optimize their manufacturing processes and improve the efficiency of their CMC submissions. By analyzing manufacturing data and identifying patterns, companies can identify areas for improvement and optimize their processes to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Predictive analytics can help companies enhance their quality control processes by identifying areas that may require additional attention. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, the system can identify areas where quality control processes may need to be improved, allowing the company to take corrective action proactively. Using data analysis, companies can identify areas where they may not be compliant with regulatory requirements and take corrective action before submitting their CMC. This can significantly reduce the time and resources required for regulatory approval and increase the chances of a successful submission. The FDA plays a critical role in ensuring that drug products are safe and effective for use by patients. One of the key areas that the FDA regulates is the CMC component of the submission. The CMC submission is a critical component of the drug development process and involves submitting detailed information about the manufacturing process, analytical methods, and quality control measures used to ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of the drug product. The FDA's regulatory guidelines provide a framework for drug developers to follow when preparing CMC submissions. However, the CTD Quality Module 3 submission process is complex and time-consuming. It involves collecting and analyzing large amounts of data from multiple sources, including batch records, development reports, manufacturing processes, and quality control measures. The data must be analyzed and synthesized to provide a comprehensive picture of the drug substance and product's quality and safety. This process can be challenging and resource-intensive, and errors can result in significant delays in the drug development process or even lead to the rejection of the submission by the FDA. Here are some examples of how predictive analytics and data analysis can help identify potential issues early in the CMC submission data. Predicting potential drug stability issues. By analyzing historical data on the stability of similar drugs, predictive analytics can identify potential stability issues that may arise during the CMC submission. This can help companies address potential issues proactively and ensure that the drug meets stability requirements. Identifying potential manufacturing problems. By analyzing manufacturing data, such as batch records and quality control results, predictive analytics can identify potential manufacturing problems early on. For example, if there are consistent deviations in certain process parameters, the system can flag them as potential issues that require further investigation. Monitoring critical quality attributes. CQAS are key parameters that are critical to the quality of the drug product. By monitoring CQAS during the manufacturing process, companies can identify potential issues early on and take corrective action before submitting their CMC. For example, if the CQA is consistently out of specification, the system can flag it as a potential issue that needs to be addressed. Analyzing regulatory guidance and requirements. By analyzing regulatory guidance and requirements, companies can identify potential issues with their CMC submission early on. For example, if the regulatory guidance for a particular drug product change, the system can flag it as a potential issue that needs to be addressed to ensure compliance with the latest regulations. Overall, by leveraging predictive analytics and data analysis, pharmaceutical companies can identify potential issues early on in the CMC submission and take corrective action before it becomes a bigger problem. This can help ensure a smoother submission process and increase the chances of a successful approval. In conclusion, predictive analytics and data analysis are powerful tools that can help pharmaceutical companies improve the CMC submission process. By leveraging these tools, companies can identify potential issues early on, optimize their manufacturing processes, enhance quality control, and improve regulatory compliance, ultimately leading to a more efficient and successful submission process.
Thank you for listening to this audiocast. Are you an emerging biotech or established pharmaceutical company struggling to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of drug regulations? Look no further than Incrissi. We are the leading consulting group helping organizations comply with drug regulations through a comprehensive drug development model incorporating augmented intelligence and data analytics. Our industry experts can guide you through the complex world of compliance, making it more manageable than ever. With our Reimagining Regulatory Pathways services, we can help you design and implement best practices to streamline your operation and ensure you stay in line with current legislation. Our range of services covers regulatory drug development's technical and strategic aspects. Let us help you develop an overall strategy that accounts for all potential risks while still being able to meet your objectives. Visit our website at www.enkrisi.com to learn more and get started on the path to regulatory compliance success.